You're welcome to today's analysis. In today's video, I'll be looking at the NFP data, that is the non-farm payroll data that was released yesterday, and what you should be expecting in the next week of trading. Okay, so right now we see usdjpy move to the upside and the market reacted after the non-farm payroll data release, and we see that also on eurusd and gbpusd. All of these and more I will be talking about in today's analysis. And if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to leave a like for this video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. Also check the channel for other forex videos and educational content. Yesterday we see the non-farm payroll and the data was released, so we see that as at last month of December 2023, about 216k jobs were added in the United States. So for this, the actual right here is greater than the forecast, which is good for the currency. And if you look at this as well, this very area, that is unemployment rates, dropped from 0.8% expected to 3.7%, okay, which was the same as the previous right at this point. So we are actually seeing a stability in unemployment rate coming back to the downside, and also more jobs are being added to the United States currently, especially that of last month, which is 2016k jobs were added. And if you look at this very chart, you discover that this was supposed to be good for the currency, but different thing happened on the chart. Market come back down. And if you look at this on eurusd, market moved to the upside, and gbpusd is not an exception. Market also moved to the upside. Why? Because this data shows that the market was supposed to be good for the currency, supposed to be good for the US dollar. That means for this usdjpy, market is supposed to move to the upside. For eurusd, market is supposed to come back down, and for gbpusd, market is supposed to come back down because the data is good for the US dollar. But we see otherwise on the chart. And if you look at this, the main reason for this is because market has moving upward. So I used to tell my student that every time you see the market has moved upward this much and you see a data release, especially for non-farm payroll, CPI data, and federal fund rates, all of these inclusive, market is going to come back down to the opposite side, regardless whether the data is good for the currency or not. So this is a very, very important thing you need to note in the market from now henceforth. And if you look at this week of trading, from this very area on Monday, we see the market begin to move from this zone upward. So market begin to move upward, and we see a significant move in usdjpy. But right now, even though we see the data here to be good for the US dollar, what I am expecting on usdjpy is a reaction. If you watch one of my short video I did yesterday, I talk about the market reaction, and that is the exact same thing we see right here. So market is going to still come back down a little bit into this very point of resistance and this very level of support right here before the market will then go back to the upside. So we need a little bit of correction on usdjpy right now before continuation in the market. So what that means is after the correction or retracement, market is going to move upward. So wait for the market to correct, and then after this retracement, this will be a nice time for you to buy the market, for the market to move to the upside. So what you need to pay attention to on usdjpy, and that is the exact same thing I am doing right now, is looking for buy opportunity, and the best place or one of the nice places that you can also buy is after this retracement. This is where I am expecting this retracement to end before continuation in the market. So watch this very price level as we open next week of trading. If you look at this reaction in the market, I am considering this reaction not to be very aggressive. As you can see, market is going to still come back down a little bit on this very pair Euro USD before the next move to the upside. So pay attention to market coming back down as you open the market on Monday, then continuation upward. And this is very important, because if you look at the Euro USD pair, market is at this very level of important support, and if you look at it very well, you understand that from this very point up to this very area, market have not created a new close. Okay, so market just enter here and we see this very spike to the upside, and market to move with this candle. Right now, expect the market to come back down, and to further move the market back down, there should be a breakout of this very close right away. We see rejection. So once you see that very breakout, market is going to continue to the downside before the next move upward. This is what I am expecting as we open the market on Monday. So for Euro USD, wait for the market to drop back down and then look for buy position after this little drop that I am expecting in the market. A buy position will be a nice thing to do for market to begin to move to the upside on Euro USD. And on GBP USD, we see a significant move to the upside, just like we see a drop to the downside on USDJPY. So for GBP USD, you see the market is at this very level of resistance, which is a very important resistance. If you also look at how the market has been moving on this very pair, you see the market move down from here and then move up again, come back down, could not create a new low at this very point of support. So right now, expect a little drop to the downside and then continuation upward. So for GBP USD, the market is going to come back down, and then after that movement to the downside, look for buy opportunity as well on this very pair. So market is going to come back down a little bit before the next movement upward. This is what I am expecting and watching closely on GBP USD, Euro USD at this very point, and USD JPY. For USD JPY, the market is going to buy to the upside after this retracement. These are the various things you must have to watch on these various charts after the NFP that was released yesterday, the non-farm payroll. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to leave a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification so you receive updates like this when I upload new video. And don't forget to check the description of this video and do your registration with recommended broker. Thank you for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.